Hi there! In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a payment link step by step so you can start collecting payments easily and professionally. From the main menu, click on Payments and then select Payment Links. Next, click on Create New Payment Link. This is where you'll choose the product or service you want your customer to pay for. Select the already created product. Now, you can decide what information you want to collect from your customer. Simply check the boxes for the details you need. For example, you can require the customer to add a phone number, collect the customer's address, allow coupon codes. You can also add your terms and conditions. Just check the box and type in your policy. For example, we do not offer refunds. This helps set clear expectations before payment is made. You can also set a deactivation date by checking the box and selecting a date. At that date, payment link will expire. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your payment link is now ready to use. To send the link, click Send. You can copy a standard payment link that works for all customers, or select a specific contact to generate a personalized payment link just for them. And that's how easy it is to create and send a payment link. If you need any help, reach out to connect at pulsegrowth.io.